Hey there, I'm Mike Sanderson from Auto Service Experts, and I want to show you just how easy it is to find the perfect tires for your car using our tire finder tool on our website. Let's get started. First, visit our website and look for the Shop Tires button near the top. Once on that page, you'll simply enter your vehicle's details. That includes the make, year, model, and option. This helps us find the exact tires that fit your car. Already know your tire size? No problem. You can enter it directly in the tire size search option. Just type in the width, aspect ratio, and diameter from your current tires. Once you hit Find My Tires, you'll see a list of available tires that fit your vehicle. We'll even recommend the top few tires we think would be best based on the information given. You can then compare different brands, check prices, and even read reviews to make the best choice. Found the right set of tires? Just click Add to Cart and proceed to checkout. If you'd like us to install the tires, simply select an available appointment time during checkout. We'll take care of the rest. And that's it. Ordering tires through the Tire Finder tool is quick and easy. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call or stop by Auto Service Experts. We're here to help.